Hey there, want to turn invoices into paid invoices faster? Using FreshBooks Payments puts a Pay Now button directly on your invoices, letting clients settle up with a credit card or bank transfer in seconds. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to speed up payment. First, ensure FreshBooks Payments is enabled in your Payments settings. Once activated, every invoice you send will include secure online payment options. Clients can pay by credit card or via secure ARC bank transfer, and the funds are deposited into your linked bank account. You can also set up recurring payment profiles for retainers. My crucial pro tip: offer a small discount for ARC bank payments. Since bank transfers have lower processing fees than credit cards, you can incentivize clients to use them by offering a 1 to 2% discount for ARC payment. This can save you money on fees and encourage faster settlement. That's how you dramatically shrink the gap between sending an invoice and getting paid. Do you find clients pay significantly faster with online payment options? Share your experience in the comments. If cash flow guides help your business thrive, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.